Siddharth by nature is not a person who's going to listen to somebody to do what he wants to do. That girl Nikita is supposed to be compared to her, but she's a modern outlook looking woman. Nishant will try to copy Asim and go to the game through Asim. According to me, Big Boss 13 was the best show of their 13-year career.
किस तरह से देख रहे हैं आप बिग बॉस 14 को? कितना एंटरटेनिंग लग रहा है? सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए.
Very, very interesting. And why? Because according to me, Big Boss 13 was the best show of their 13-year career. So the expectations for Big Boss 14 have risen very highly.
Right.
Now the people they have put in right now, अभी तो ऐसा नहीं लगता कि they are going to create some havoc at the stage, but overall लगता है कि they must have selected them for some reason or the other by which they know that these people will deliver. So I'm sure that some firecracks are going to happen, and Siddharth is there to see that it does happen. Siddharth तो अंदर चला गया Big Boss के घर में, so he is there from Big Boss 13, which technically is the most successful show of Big Boss so far.
Right. हमने देखा सिद्धार्थ और गौहर के बीच बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ है. So just wanted to know your opinion on the same because they are seniors घर के अंदर और सिद्धार्थ का वही
गौर के साथ है ना, गौर के साथ झगड़ा चल रहा है ना दोनों का.
Yes.
तो वो तो I think that's part of the game because Siddharth by nature is not a person who's going to listen to somebody to do what he wants to do. अगर वो सीनियर्स भी हैं तो वो दोनों को इसकी बातें सुननी पड़ेंगी. अगर उनको साथ में काम करना है तो ये उनकी बातें सुनेगा नहीं. That is for sure. तो मे बी उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू उसको रखना था और उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू उसको अच्छा ही लगता है तो then he will put his foot down. So then these girls will have to bear. If they don't bear, then there'll be a conflict.
बिग बॉस 13 में शहनाज जो है बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर कंटेस्टेंट है, तो उन्हें कोई रिजेंबल कर रहा है इस सीजन में?
मुझे लगता है सभी ट्राई करेंगे जब गेम्स खुलेगी. Everybody will try some portion of hers, but that is trying. Being her will be two separate things. There is nobody like her. She's a rustic, earthy person. Earthy. आप earthy समझते हो ना? Son of the soil. She has lived things on that earthy level. उसको कंपेयर करना, उसका वो जो बोलना लिहाजा connects to people of India. These people are modern people. Even if they start with that attitude and that lachak, bachak, katak, they cannot reflect the earthiness of that person. So they are two different people. These people are totally different. So you can't ape somebody in the show. Everybody has to bring out their own individuality. That girl Nikita is supposed to be compared to her, but she's a modern outlook looking woman who is doing things in her own manner. And I think it's her own style, which is quite good. It's quite likable. It's quite confrontational. It's quite good. I think it is good.
अच्छा, ऐसा कोई अभी का कंटेस्टेंट जिससे आपको पुराने कंटेस्टेंट की याद आए जो रिसेंबल करता हो?
See, they will copy. There are some people who will copy a certain movement of an activity. For example, exercise की activity थी. आसिफ की वो शायद एक वो लड़का हो जो लंबी नाक वाला है.
निशांत मलकानी.
Nishant will try to copy Asim and go to the game through Asim. But Asim का वो जो anger और जो वो था, वो कहाँ से लाएगा कोई भी? Try to understand one thing that in this game your personality cannot change. अगर मेरी कॉमिक पर्सनालिटी है और मुझे कॉमिक ही नजर आता है सब चीजों में, एक्चुअली मुझे सब कॉमेडी नजर आती है हर चीज में. I can't change that personality. And I can't be crude because I'm not crude. एक होता है ना कि ज्यादा, एक होता है एकदम किसी को नोचना जाके. That nature is not there. अब जब नेचर नहीं तो बनाऊंगा कैसे वो नेचर? बन तो नहीं सकता ना because of show. आप घुसोगे तो आप क्रूड बातें नहीं करोगे, आप फिर वैसी बातें करोगे जो आप करते हो. तो that's how the show is all about. What is personality? Asim's personality. That anger and angst was in him. That burst out. वैसा एंगर और एंग्स्ट किसी में होने के लिए you have to suffer that much. You have to be deprived of that level to get that anger. And that anger and frustration, that feeling that I am being deprived is there. अपना कश्मीर बैकग्राउंड, अपना ये, अपना वो, अपनी बॉम्बे की सफरिंग, अपना वो सब एंग्स्ट है. तो anybody going against him, he goes bitter. that he went bitter again. I mean, others are maybe well fed and well done. But now Siddharth's anger and Siddharth's flow of mind is another level itself. And then to have that kind of mindset to discuss and the dialogue, to put the dialogue across, that kind of intelligence the people must have to have. No, let us see now at what level the intelligence of these boys are. वो उस लेवल के हैं कि नहीं. एंगर को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए इतने वर्ड्स भी आने चाहिए, उसके दिमाग का ट्रेल ऑफ थॉट भी तो आना चाहिए वैसा. हाजिर जवाबी तो होनी चाहिए.